So today I just wanted to quickly tell you that if you're thinking of adjusting the placement for an automatic campaign, it's not a good idea. The reason it's not a good idea is because automatic campaigns, you're not in control of where the ad is showing up. Now, having said that, if you don't have control where the ad is showing up, it doesn't really make sense for you to adjust the placement, either type of search or the other two, result page or product pages. So today's tip is quite straightforward and simple. If you're running automatic campaigns, then make sure that you do not adjust the placement. That make sure that they are set to 0%. So this is it for this tip. Remember, automatic campaigns, you do not adjust the placements. You only adjust placements for exact match campaigns. So that's it. If you have a question, leave me a comment and be sure to talk to you later.